Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to another episode of Cooking of the Day. This is Ben Max Studios. Please kindly subscribe to the channel and leave your thoughts under the comment section. The name is still Ben Success, and a video is trending on social media. It's all about a lady who has graduated from the university and going into the NSS, National Service Scheme. Masa, a whole lot of things are happening. Jay-Z is normal, but they don't have time. Jay-Z is normal basisi ya no. Omu need time. Inti okoye no, okoye national service bibi ya posti no. Okoye no, say why ma. No say why ma dia, and I don't have time. Let me go in for poultry farming. Let's watch the video.
So baby, our government they me to you no. Me koye almost omonjini omayema. Me susana ma pepa me ni me su. And the private side, I even signed a contract with. Are also acting as if they don't even know the person they are talking to. So I feel like this thing is not for me. So I'll just fund my two businesses that I already have, and then I'll venture into poultry farming because I love that. And I feel it's going to be a waste of time because I won't waste a whole year. I won't waste a whole 4 years in the university just to come and beg a company to do my service with, and after that seeking jobs. Now NSS upon a maya fully, and I may be paid you ma. Ye be ye na ye paid you ma. My family hunting. I'll venture into poultry farming. I'm going back home. Accra is not for me. I'm going back home. I won't rent. I don't even have to rent. Here I've rented. Me buy my bed here. I've rented. My sister me nyama because me best started service. My kodija me disika kodija because me best started service just to be okay to settle down. I settle down. My bami company are telling me why I should. And the private side too is telling me another story. I should go for reposting. And then they'll post me to Takra, the northern region. Then I'm going home. It's okay. And even after all this, you also go and stay in the house. Because a Juma niho, you better choose a Juma niho. I think it makes sense.
Alright guys, so that's the video. Masa, Jay-Z is now more about no money time no. Omu need time, and na make an earlier on no. Mungu nyome mu Ghana. Mungu nyome e Ghana. I quite remember video be na I trend akola na oko school ya Santo senior high na yesi when chanity I want to mean you ade no. Obi na we university graduate o nso onye adwuma anye enye se onye adwuma anye mpo we mpo ye national service a owia afi na okwa a permanent job because national service in a contract I think it's about 6 months or 1 year, right? Into owia ansa na oba a permanent job into according to the lady no or say we mpo national service mpo ni yo ye kukuru mpo ni eba beso ya ye kukuru ni eba beso and says national service ni na samo catch and say why am I there and you only time wa travel all the way aba Accra say oba be pay juma wa call rent in the dining ade afi de or ko bibia ye posting na odru honoma ye se menua why am I ye ntimi employee wo honoma why am anti kona copy for reposting no say me need time one now reposting na national service impona me say me ankasa I have a little knowledge about poultry farming, so let me go in for the poultry farming. Me for graduate in ponton chain or the ton change say only time, and I start with her me menene ya dream papa menene ya dream masa ene sikafo no mo Ghana no bisa ho say wana na eya aban adwuma sisi a esikafo no mo Ghana sisi a no bisa ho say wana na eya aban adwuma. So in this 21st century, ne ewo money there, masa munja Jay-Z no omu need time. And according to the lady Kwampono, or say wa regret it per se or spending the 4 years or say 5 years at the core university. Sen go start a poultry farm as at that time now, by this time kawa ye. And it's true, masa this school ni see any person go school. Young crop for be on mumpa, or more SHS and on Mount Kobe, JSS no Mount Kobe. Omo looking smart and who said no, school name wame. Maminko pay entrepreneurship be minko pay you may be na minye. Na school name wame. and then oma ye bibi omo nam no ahwe po e ba from one just say you go sim nkofo be 5 so ansa na you hu omo. You understand? So it's a very smart move. It's a very smart move on the part of the lady. What move now apeki sisi and is really going to help her. It's really going to help her. Obia spend this car aba Accra aba rented them. Masa Accra renting and that form it's not for the week. Accra renting and that form aba rented them. All in the name of you're posting me, government you're posting me, say me nkoye a year friend say me nko me national service we ya me nkoye me national service. Me drew hono ma you say why am I saying? I feel I'm pray for reposting. Me need time. Nti munjai Jay-Z no munjai omo mungu educational system ni imagine obi mpa we university po no so dey to nchen no. And also dey to nchen no the yeden. Even though say it will get to some point it's really going to help us or a graduate and all that. But also poultry farming over graduate poultry farming, and it's really going to stick in some people's mind. And shepa omo say news we are university now but on says campaign people are spending a whole lot. Nkofo spend this ka bebre eduko university ni ade on mewie no omejuma pay ayedin wa Ghana. On mewie no omejuma pay ayedin. It's way the menene ya adwen. In fact, when I saw the video, even though I was a little bit sad, but me sanso dwun na me hu say no because on my ben ye woman so we call university we now we juma pay ayedin. This all betena fie and up to now amount for egusu tifie. Amount for atene fie 5 years 10 years omo gusu tifie omo nya permanent ejuma. We work koye bojo bi 200 Ghana cedis 300 Ghana cedis ni apamo no. Because and the Ghana na no companies are here they are willing to to offer you a huge amount of salary. 5,000 6,000 and I say for because you are a graduate you deserve more, you deserve better. So what I say into way the move na girl na peke no it's really going to help her. It's really going to help her start to see if you are watching me. That's also if you are in the same situation. You say kwana pray for a replacement to say wana jai omejuma mo men koye national service bia kope juma bi kope ska bi na fa kotonyo ma bi na ton na say fa koye business bi is really going to fetch you money. It's really going to fetch you money. Na national service na here no mutu ya 700 Ghana cedis 500 name I say for 600. What is it going to do to you? Obe foka, obe lawyer friend na say for obe didi wom. Scanning na be sample so me be so now you don't have anything on you. So it will be better you start something now. I be fetch you money each and every day bia obe huska. Each and every day bia obe huska because Master Jay-Z is now ya we don't have time. I feel now could pray for then the obi graduates pa ye posting no. Government in a posting odru honoma ye say honoma ma e honoma ma say e honoma ma say na munim say honoma ma na mo posting grofo na omkofo na mo posti omo de to honom no omko ejuma wefa omko ejuma wefa. So shout out to Koji Sheldon Charlie Koji Sheldon. I think say ono pen ye private entity or Ghana when it comes to the media space you know ono also offer national service for itu omoka offer national service for honum e won honum na echiro majuma ni ade. So what I say and it's very good. Me see a time will come school no amount for the better nchen you amount for the better nchen especially in Ghana because we wie no wejuma pempo no enye easy wejuma pen no enye easy and that form inti se mo ska bi da me ho na se me no ba ko she school mo na se at the end of the year na at the end of the semester na me wie me bibia na se me nya ejuma nya then what is the essence? I was say me fast aska no enko she ejuma bi mo fa nkoto nyoma bibi na me nton na me nya ska. So what I say na me nya ska obenya wo mfa so o de be ye business madam and I say business takum time ya sorry bi atimi opa bi atimi sorry ko ejuma unu obi ani asem. You understand? Yes, inti girl no there, I think say it's a very smart move and a very good move on the part of the lady. If today is your first time watching me, kindly subscribe to the channel and leave your thoughts under the comment section. We will come back again. The name is still Ben Success and thank you for watching me. Bye bye.